In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add donation on your Facebook story. Donations on Facebook stories are crucial as they amplify social causes, making them visible to a wider audience. By sharing their support publicly, users inspire others to contribute, fostering a culture of philanthropy and collective impact. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On your Facebook story, you will have to tap on this sticker icon right here. You will then tap on the Donate button. Then choose any category you wish to give donation. When selected, the Donation tab will appear to your story. Tap on Share, and whenever someone taps on the Donate button, they will be able to give a donation. That's how easy it is to add donation on your Facebook story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.